Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Sadhu means sage or saint. Who is a saint, who is a sadhu? That description is given. Titikshava karunika. Titikshava karunika srida sarvabhutanam ajāta-śatravaḥ shanta sādhava sadhu-bhūṣana. This is the definition of sadhu. Saint. Who is a saint? A saint is called who is very tolerant. Tolerant. Tolerant to the utmost. We have got very good example of Lord Jesus Christ, a great saint or sadhu. He was, of course, more than sadhu. Now, thus see his behavior, how much tolerant he was. He was being crucified and he was praying, God, O Lord, forgive these people what they are doing. This is the significance of sadhu. Titikshava karunika. For their personal sake, they are always very tolerant, but they are very kind to all people, all living entities. Very kind. In spite of their all disadvantages, they try to give something, real knowledge to the people in general. Karunika. And Srida Sarvabhutanam, and a sadhu is not a friend of a particular class, particular community or particular country. No. A sadhu, a saint is he who is friend of all, not only of human beings, even of animals and less than animals. These are the qualifications of sadhu. Ajāta-śatravaḥ, and they have no enemy. They are not anyone's enemy, everyone's friend. Enemy, of course, even the greatest man will find some enemy. This is the nature of this world. Even the most perfect man will have some enemy. So, that is different thing. But this sadhu, this saint is no one's enemy. He is friend of everyone. Titikshava karunika srida sarvabhutanam ajāta-śatravaḥ shanta. They are nobody's enemy. And shanta, always peaceful. These are the qualifications of sadhu.